Today, we're going to flip the script and turn Pinterest from a fun hobby into a serious engine for growth and, yes, income. Let's get into it.
Does that hit a little close to home? You scroll through, you see all these amazing creators turning their passions into actual businesses, and you're kind of left wondering, how are they doing that? Well, guess what? You're in exactly the right place. We're about to lay out the entire roadmap for you.
And here's how we're going to do it, broken down into 5 simple steps. First, we're going to tackle the most important thing, a total mindset shift. Then, we'll get your account set up for success. After that, we dive into mastering Pinterest SEO so people can actually find you. Then, the fun part, turning those pins into profit. And finally, we'll cover how to track your metrics to see what's really working.
Okay, first things first. Before we do anything else, we have to completely rewire how we think about this platform. Seriously, this one idea is the foundation that everything else we talk about today is built on. So, at its very core, what is Pinterest? It is not a social network. It's a massive visual search engine. People don't come here to chat. They come here with a mission. They're looking for ideas, they're planning projects, and they are ready to buy.
And this right here really drives the point home. Think about traditional social media, right? You're just scrolling to see what your friends are up to. The content you post today is pretty much gone by tomorrow. But Pinterest, it's the complete opposite. People are actively searching for things. A pin you create today isn't just a fleeting post. It's an evergreen answer to someone's question that can keep getting discovered for months. So here it is, the big takeaway for this section. You have to master this mindset. Pinterest rewards content that is built for search. You're not just posting for a quick like. You're creating a long-term, valuable resource for people who are actively looking for what you have to offer.
All right, with that new mindset totally locked in, let's get into the practical side of things. Let's talk about setting up your profile to make a real impact.
Let's run through some quick vocabulary so we're all on the same page. Pins, that's your content, the images and videos. Now, rich pins are like supercharged pins. They automatically pull in data from your website, so if you're selling a product, it can show the live price and whether it's in stock, right there on the pin. Boards are just how you organize your pins into different themes. And for e-commerce, catalogs are a game changer. You can upload your entire product feed, and it'll automatically create shoppable pins for everything.
Now here's a great little hack for when you're just starting out. Group boards. Think of these as community boards, where multiple people can contribute. All you have to do is find some in your niche, follow their rules, and ask to join. Once you're in, you get to share your content with a much bigger built-in audience. It's an awesome way to get some early eyeballs on your stuff.
Okay, before you go any further, and I mean this, if you haven't already, you need to switch to a business account. This is absolutely non-negotiable. Why? Because it unlocks all the good stuff. Detailed analytics, the power to run ads, special features like product tagging, and it makes you eligible for the verified merchant status, which really builds trust. And the best part? It is 100% free. Okay, so your profile is all set up for success. But how do people actually find you in this massive ocean of ideas? Well, the answer is Pinterest SEO.
Just like with Google, Pinterest is all about keywords. And you have to be smart about where you put them. The 3 most critical spots are right here. Your pin titles, the descriptions you write for your pins, and of course, the names of your boards. You have to think like your ideal customer. What words are they typing into that search bar? Use those.
And here's exactly why that matters. It's a simple formula. Good SEO gets your pins seen more often. That's more impressions. More impressions lead to more people clicking through to your website. That's more traffic. And more traffic, well, that leads to more sales. It is a direct line from being discovered to making a profit.
And that brings us to the section I know you've been waiting for. You've got the foundation, you've got people finding you. Now, how do we actually make some money from all this?
So let's explore some of the most effective and popular ways that creators are doing this right now.
First up, affiliate marketing. Honestly, this is one of the easiest ways to get your feet wet. You just promote products that you already know and love. You get a special affiliate link, you put it in your pin, and when someone clicks it and buys the product, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Just always be transparent and use that paid partnership label. Next up is print on demand, or POD. This is an absolute dream for creative people. You get to design custom products, think t-shirts, mugs, posters, with zero inventory and zero upfront cost. A service like Printify does all the heavy lifting. The printing, the packing, the shipping. Your job is to create amazing designs, promote them with pins, and then you just collect the profit.
And finally, we have sponsored content. Once you've built an audience that trusts your taste and recommendations, brands will actually pay you to feature their products. The absolute key here is authenticity.
You want to create genuine, helpful content, like a real review or a useful tutorial that just happens to feature their product.
So you're creating content, you're monetizing it, but how do you know what's working and what's a waste of time? That's where analytics come in.
Now, don't get overwhelmed by all the data in your business account. You really only need to focus on these 4 key metrics. Impressions tell you if your SEO efforts are paying off. Are people seeing your stuff? Saves are huge. When someone saves your pin, it means your content really connected. Plus, it's free distribution. Clicks? Well, that's your direct pipeline to traffic and sales. And finally, your engagement rate tells the Pinterest algorithm that people love your stuff, so it'll start showing it to even more people.
Look, if you remember just one thing from our entire time together today, please let it be this. Forget follower count. It's a vanity metric. True success on Pinterest is all about discoverability. It's about getting found when your perfect customer is looking for you.
Right now, at this very moment, your audience is on Pinterest. They're searching for ideas, for products, for inspiration. The only question left is, are you going to be the one they find?